Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to rename room. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, I have two layouts right over here. Alright, so let's start by doing the first one. Alright, so if let's say I would like to rename my room, okay, all I need to do is just click onto the unnamed, alright, and then click onto the arrow and select a room. Okay, so for example, over here, I'll just put it as a bathroom, and then right over here, I can put it as a guest room. Okay, so on to the next floor plan. All right, so right now, I would like to change these three rooms. Okay, but when I click onto the arrow, I notice that I don't have the name of the room that I want. Okay, so we can also manually just type it in. Okay, so for example, this one I'll just give it a master room. Then for example, this one we will just put bedroom 1. Okay, bedroom 1. All right, so for the next room we can always just put bedroom 2. All right, so you can either choose it over here from the room templates, or you can manually just type in the name of your room, right? And this is how to rename your room. Good luck trying, guys.